How to report missing item for Best Buy order. If you receive a package from Best Buy that is missing an item, you should report it immediately through the official support channel to initiate an investigation or request a replacement. What you need is open up your browser or your Best Buy app, go to the profile at the very bottom. You then need to scroll down and you can find Contact Us. Go to Order and Purchase. You just want to make sure to go ahead and look for damaged, defect, or incorrect item. You could go and tap onto this following link and you have to choose your country. As you've done this, you will then be taken to the next page. Now, you will have to go ahead and make sure to read all these informations. As soon as you do this, you will be able to submit a request, and if that's not the case or if you're not satisfied with that, you could also contact them. So you just want to open any browser that you have, type in contact Best Buy support. You could find a toll-free number. Here it is. You could just simply long press and copy it out and then call them. This is how you are supposed to report a missing item for Best Buy order. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.